A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today I am going to teach you how to start sketch in CATIA V5. So after opening the software, go to the start menu, and from there go to the mechanical design and part design. A new part window at the right corner will be open where the name can be changed. For example, the default name is part 1. However, we can change it to any name. Suppose it is sketch. Make it enable hybrid design and click on OK. Now in order to sketch any drawing in CATIA, there are three different planes: X, Y, YZ and ZX. We can select any one of them. Suppose it is XY plane, and then there is a tool known as the sketch tool. Now we have entered to the sketching mode where different tools are available. For example, the first one is the profile. We can produce any sort of profile. Now we are starting from the origin. X, Y are 0, 0 at this point, and the blue dot, solid dot inside the circle of the origin shows that now the 0, 0 or the origin has been selected. So let's click over here, and we want to draw a horizontal line. Now we want to go vertically, and we can draw a circle without selecting any other tools. So go to this 3-point arc, click anywhere. Now you can see that there is an arc. Now click over here, go upward, and a sketch like this is drawn. Now this is a close sketch. It shows that the color of these lines are two types. One is green and the second one is white. The green color shows that this line or this sketch has been fully constrained. However, the lines with white color needs to be constrained, and for that purpose let's constrain it. So this is the tool for constraint. Click on here. There are two options. When it is clicked once, then it is only valid for one time of application. Now I would like to double click on this constraint toolbar, and we can use it for multi times. Now this sketch is fully constrained. We can change this dimension. Suppose it is 100. So double click on this dimension and change its value to 100. This radius can be changed as well. So suppose it is 35 millimeters, and it should be 35, 135, and in this procedure we have completed our sketch. Now let's go to the other sketching, the other workbench. So let's exit from this workbench, click on this arrow. Now we can extrude. Extrude it means that the 2D sketch can be converted into 3D. There are different commands. The first one, let's see, that is the pad command. In CATIA, to give height or depth to any sketch, there is a command which is known as the pad. Once we click over here, there are further three commands. One is pad, the second one is drafted filleted pad, and the third one is multi-pad. Now let's go to the first one, that is the pad. So it gets converted, the sketch is converted into a 3D model, and the by default length is depth is 20 millimeter. We can change it to 50 for example. There is an option which is called the mirrored extent. The mirror means that the extrusion or the height of the model is given on both sides of the sketching plane. In this case, this is the sketch plane. If we look at the sketch plane now, since it has not been checked in the mirrored extent, so it is extruding, it is giving the depth to one side of the sketch plane. Now suppose I want to check it, you see that 50 millimeter dimension has been added on the second plane as well. So the overall depth is 100 millimeter in this case, 50 on each side. This is the 50 on limit 1 and the 50 on the limit 2. So we can check its preview. This is the preview, and we can rotate it with the help of a mouse. Now check the OK. So this is the tutorial how we made a sketch in the sketch mode and then it was converted into a 3D model. I hope this is an easy way to understand the first tutorial of CATIA. Thank you. If you have any question, you can write in the text. Thank you.